Hi, welcome back to my studio. It's been a while since I have been here. Okay, no more singing or you need to leave the room. Okay? Okay. So today, we are going to learn how to paint a tulip. Tulips are perfect for springtime and Easter and overall an easy flower to paint. So if you are ready for it, keep watching. So to get started, I'm going to be using my Fabriano cold pressed paper. This is my paper that I have been using lately, along with my custom palette filled with Winsor & Newton colors. And I am using my Princeton size 8 as well. So the colors I am using today are permanent rose mixed with a little bit of burnt umber. Gives it a nice shade of pink. Tulips are a fairly simple flower to paint. So most things in nature are in shapes of a C, so if you can keep that in mind as you make your brush strokes. A little tip is if you hold your brush upright versus like a pencil, hold it upright, you will be able to have a little bit better control over your brush. So I'm going to start with just, again, making that C shape. Don't be afraid to press down heavily on your brush. Adding some more darker paint here at the bottom. Something to keep in mind as you are painting is leaving white space. As you can see here, I left some white space, and that just gives the flowers some added texture, some added depth. Next, I am going to be using some sap green mixed with, again, some burnt umber, and adding some black as well, just a little bit. When I paint with watercolors, I try to work in quick movements so that I don't overthink it. Typically, when I take the time to plan everything out, it just doesn't quite look as organic. I think I'm going to add, let's see, I'm going to add one more over here. I should have waited to do the leaves until the very last, but I did not, so it's okay. We will work around that. On this last one, I did not add any yellow, so this one I'm going to just take a little bit of yellow ochre and just add a little bit. It will look beautiful after it's dried. All right, this one we're just winging it, guys. Not bad. I went over this leaf that I had done first and just added a little bit more of the paint on top to kind of see if I can save it, but overall I think this looks really cute. You could paint this on top of a card and give it as a Mother's Day gift or just an Easter gift. So thank you guys for being here.